This 7-minute power yoga flow will burn fat, build strength and boost energy. But before we start, warm up with few wrist rolls, cat cows and pedal your legs in downward dog. After doing all these, let's begin at the top of our mat. Starting with the dynamic movement. As you inhale, bend your knees into chair pose with the arms overhead. Exhale and fold forward into Uttanasana. Repeat continuously to warm up the legs and spine. Inhale as you lift up. Exhale as you fold down. This will activate your legs, your glutes and core while increasing mobility. Now step your left leg back into high lunge. Inhale, raise your hands. Exhale and shift weight onto the right foot, extending the left leg back into Warrior 3. Inhale, come back. Exhale into Warrior 3. Repeat this. It will engage your core, your glutes and your legs while building balance. Now let's do the same on the other side of the body. Now moving from plank into downward dog as you inhale, exhale and shift forward into plank with your right knee touching your right elbow. Inhale, return to downward dog. Exhale and bring the left knee toward the left elbow. Alternate between sides. This will work on your arms, your shoulders, your core and your abs dynamically.
So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do. And when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone.
Now let's start in wide-legged stance. Inhale and hands into prayer position. Exhale, bend your right knee into Skandasana. Inhale to center. Exhale to the left. Let's repeat it. This will strengthen your inner thighs, your core, your obliques, and also will boost your flexibility.
Could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel. I think they want me to settle.
Now let's start in forearm side plank with your right side down and your left hand behind your head. Inhale, raise up. Exhale, twist and bring the left elbow and tap it on the mat. Inhale, back. Exhale and tap. This will fire up your obliques, your core and your shoulders for fat burn.
Life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I have no questions. I had fun in every second and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I
Now let's repeat the same on the other side.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing.
Now come back again into downward dog pose. As you inhale, jump forward and move to boat pose. Exhale and back to downward dog. Inhale into boat pose. Exhale and back to downward. It will build your strength, core endurance and calorie burn. Finally, lie down on your back with the knees bent. Open your hands at shoulder level. Inhale, raise your legs. Exhale and drop knees slowly to one side. Inhale to center. Exhale, drop to other side. Focus on deep breaths here. This will gently stretch your spine and obliques while calming the body. Take your time here with some deep breaths. Return to natural rhythm of your breath. And we did it. So that was short but intense. Add this power yoga flow to your routine and feel the burn. Comment below if you made it through and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for joining.